Okay, so we've got this problem and it wants us to evaluate the tangent inverse of square root of 3 over 3. All right, so tangent inverse means we're looking for the theta that gives us square root of 3 over 3. All right, I'm going to rewrite this. I'm going to multiply by square root of 3 over 3, square root of 3 over square root of 3, which is going to give me 3 over 3 on the square root of 3. And I can cancel these out. And at first, this kind of looks a little silly, like, why would you do that? Now your square root's in the denominator. But this square root of 3 over 3 kind of looks like what we've been doing whenever we have a square root of 3 on the denominator. It looks like something canceled, and we were able to get a square root of 3 like this on the denominator. Alrighty, so what might have happened, and I'm pretty sure is what did happen, we had 1 over something times something over the square root of 3. All right, now I know tangent of theta is equal to sine of theta over cosine of theta. All right, so I'm sure that this thing was the sine of theta and this thing was the cosine of theta. So I'm going to try and put it like that. 1 over something divided by square root of 3 over something. Because whenever I'm going backwards and putting this as a fraction, I do the opposite of keep, flip, change. Keep, flip, change says keep the first one, flip the denominator, and then change my sign. I kind of did that backwards to get it in this form. Ready? Now I'm going to come over here to my, oh, and also this is positive. I'm just making like a little note that this is positive. So both of these have to be positive. All right, so I'm going to come over here to my unit circle, and I'm going to try and find where my sine is 1 over something. Sine of theta is 1 over something, and cosine of theta is something over square root of 3, where those somethings are the same and both of them are positive. Well, I have these coordinates are arranged as cosine theta, sine theta. All right, so I can see, oh wait, this should be square root of 3 or something. All right, well, I can see right here, this one works. The signs are the same, and this one works. The signs are the same, and the negatives would have canceled out. So I could have had negative over a negative, and that would have been positive. But just for the sake of this, I'm just going to pick and deal with the positive one. So that gives me that my angle that would have made that is pi over 6. That something that we were finding was 2. So this is 1/2. This is square root of 3 over 2. So my angle, the theta that I was looking for, is theta is equal to pi over 6, or 30 degrees.